they also provide a place for other types of seeds to germinate. So they're essentially they start ecology.
Mosses on a green roof means that roofs will be highly absorptive, because mosses tend to absorb about 16 times their weight in water in a matter of minutes. They are highly hardy species that are very, very tolerant to drought and to also extreme heat. And they don't die as a result of being exposed to this environment. So in places where we can't have vascular plants, where we can't have soil and we can't have other types of greening, they are the species that we can work with in order to still have some photosynthetic activity and carbon absorption, as well as particulate matter capture.
The green roofs, the way they reduce the heat is by providing a lot of moisture, a lot of humidity, and they transpire a lot. So the plants transpire, and this is how they cool the heat that normally they suffocate from. And so they cool their surrounding environment by transpiring. And it also allows quite a good water retention. So they prevent runoff, so they prevent water to just run off during thunderstorms or so, and basically avoid then flooding. You can use the water afterwards. So these are the major benefits brought by green roofs, on top of the heat reduction that they do provide, and also on top of the fact that they provide a good roof insulation to the building that is below.
So we're looking at it from two different perspectives. One of them is, how do we create the right environmental conditions, the optimal environmental conditions for moss to grow on building elements? And we do that through designing surfaces and designing materials. And then on the other hand, we are looking at working with a stage of the moss that we can pre-grow materials with, in order to then introduce those new materials into the facade systems. while these processes sometimes seem to take a long time, as a society or as architects, as designers, as urban planners, we need to think about the urban ecology in a more long-term way and holistic way, because maybe even if we don't see the effects in an immediate way in time, they will add up.